Things have been pretty mild across much of the nation over the last few days, and we're going to be dealing with a bigger change coming up at the end of the week and taking us through the end of December. A true Arctic air mass rolling in and impacting much of us. We'll give you an update on that Thomas wildfire in Southern California and maybe even talking about some severe weather in the southern U.S. But this is the view from Ely, Minnesota. Actually, it looks like they're doing some tree removal services up there today, but Ely is going to be dealing with some very cold air. One of the neighbors to Ely is International Falls, the official icebox of the nation. As we take a look at temperatures, you can see them dropping quite a bit. Single-digit highs on Saturday, and then some sub-zero daytime highs coming up on Sunday. And a little bit of snow in between there as well, maybe even a bigger system impacting the Midwest by later this week. But here's a look at Christmas Eve. Daytime highs in the sub-zero range, maybe single-digit highs in the Twin Cities. This is the outlook then through the end of December. You can see how much of the nation is dealing with colder than average temperatures, so get ready for a much colder air mass at that point. 270,000 acres is now what this fire has burned, the Thomas fire, the third largest in California history, consuming more than 1,000 buildings. Another 18,000 threatened and 45% contained. Still some elevated fire weather concerns out there today. Here's a look at our snowfall in the Northwest. A number of winter storm warnings have been posted for the Cascades and the northern Rockies. That's where we're going to have quite a bit, maybe a foot or more of snow through the end of the week. Still some pretty decent levels of moisture for Seattle and Portland. And then on the southern side of this storm system developing in the southern U.S., we are talking about, again, some severe weather concerns. There's Tuesday, marginal threat from Houston up into the lower Mississippi Valley. And on Wednesday, that shifts a little bit over to the Gulf Coast states. But we are talking about some pretty decent levels of rain in these areas through the next several days as well.